What you should know about the stock market. Today's economy is failing. You can no longer rely on being able to get a job to be able to pay your bills. Most people today are lucky to make minimum wage, and anyone who makes more tends to have so much debt that they can't survive. Included here are some tips on investing, which can help you to sustain your lifestyle. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Ensure that your children have a good sense of understanding regarding finances and investments, from a young age. The earlier that they are taught about financial responsibility and what can be achieved with hard work, the better off they will be in the long run, as they age. You can even involve them a little, as you buy and sell your investments, by explaining why you are making these choices. Consider getting some good software that specializes in investment management. It really does not cost that much and it will help save you a ton of time trying to learn how to properly do things. Look into getting one that can help you with profits and losses and one for tracking prices. It is important that you never think of investing as a hobby. It is really an extremely competitive business, and if you keep that in mind you will be able to have a more helpful outlook. You need to deeply understand your profits and losses along with the companies you are investing in. Before you invest money in the stock market, it is helpful to give yourself some practice. Choose several companies or funds and note the price and the date. Keep track of these picks and evaluate your reasons for wanting to invest. As you watch the companies over time, you will develop insight into how effective your ability to pick a good stock is developing. If you want to know the formula for making money on the stock market, all you need to do is purchase less and at the same time sell high. This is how many people make a lot of money on the market, and it will work for you too. Learn how to balance risks and rewards. The more successful investors spend a bunch of time studying market trends and current news about the economy. They don't gamble and they put their money into an ETF, stock, or mutual fund following some careful analysis. This helps keep their balance on an upswing, even when they take a hit. Even if you can only save a small part of your current income for investing, you can reinvest what you earn from it, until you have a large portfolio making you a reasonable second income stream. This will allow you to have a bit of peace of mind in the fact that you'll be able to support your family until the economy gets better. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthélemy MC.